This is our lunch, tinolang manok. I have a ginger, garlic, onion, and papaya. And added to taste, this is we call chicken cubes. Yeah, added to taste, chicken cubes. And this one, my favorite parts of chicken is wings. This is my favorite part of chicken. It's really hard to speak English, you know. And then third, I have leaves of moringa. This is really healthy food, moringa leaves. So let's cook. Let's start. Hello everyone, it's me again. Let's cook for our lunch. I love you guys. Light, camera, action. Hello guys. Good morning everyone. Good morning world. Start cooking. Yes, always happy cooking. Yeah. Open my heart goes la 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 la. Okay guys, if you are cooking, so you are happy cooking. Next, onion, and then ginger. In Tagalog, loya. Yes. Okay. Smell good. The garlic, onion, and ginger. So smell good. The aroma, you know. Oops. Okay, and then I will put the chicken. Here is my favorite part of chicken wings. Yes. Okay. Atin muna siya yung manok para yung tubig ng chicken lumabas, no? And then we will cover first until the water of the sauce of chicken is blown. Lumabas yung kanyang katas. You know, I try to speak English that my so many friends is understand to me what I'm talking, what I'm saying, no? You know. Okay. No more water. Wala nang sabaw. Okay? Tapos, ito small pitzel. Tapos, ang water nito, half lang. No? Half lang yung water. Ayan guys, hindi siya masyado marami ang water guys. Tama-tama lang na magkaroon ka ng sabaw, no, sa iyong chicken. Tinolang chicken, tinolang manok. Okay guys, maglagay tayo ng asin. Siguro mga half ng tablespoon. But anyway, katamtaman, lang naman, tansyahan lang naman. Kasi everyday naman ako, everyday I cooking, no? That's why I know how to, yung asin, katamtaman lang kapag lagi ka nagluluto, no, alam mo na kung gaano karami ang asin ang ilalagay mo. So, I think this is a half of tablespoon. See, just like that. Let's put some black pepper. My black pepper is like this. Tak 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 tak. Okay. Ang hirap lumabas eh. Okay. Let's put some what it call this? Added to taste. Chicken cubes. Yeah. Chicken cubes. Then cover again. Ayan guys, kumulo na ang ating chicken. Lagay na natin yung papaya. Ayan guys. So, let's cover again until the papaya is tender na, no? Okay. Okay guys, ito na yung dahon ng malunggay atin nang ilalagay. Malambot na yung papaya. So, let's go! Ito na yung malunggay guys. Atin nang ilalagay. So, maraming gulay ay pampahaba ng buhay. This is really healthy food guys. You know, moringa. Okay. Let's mix. Ayan. Papakita ko sa inyo kung pag hinalo ko ha, para ma-enjoy nyo naman yung aking live. Okay. Ayan guys. Luto na yung ating manok. Luto na. The chicken is done. And tender na yung chicken, no? At saka yung papaya. So, nilagay na natin yung dahon ng moringa. So, the soup is very tasty. Ayan. Guys, ayan na yung aking tinulang manok, guys. Luto na siya. Ayan. Ayan, guys. So, this one I give to my neighbors. Ayan. And this one, the big one, is our also for lunch, ang ulam namin. So, this is guys,